Introduction: the rise of metal roofs. Metal roofs have come a long way. Once relegated to utilitarian structures, they are now gracing homes of all styles. This evolution is driven by technological advancements, a desire for sustainability, and a growing appreciation for their aesthetic versatility. Modern metal roofs are a far cry from their rudimentary predecessors. They are lighter, stronger, and available in a dazzling array of colors and finishes. Early metal roofs, often made of copper or lead, were expensive and labor-intensive to install. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production and the use of more affordable materials like steel and aluminum. This made metal roofing accessible to a wider population. Today, metal roofing is chosen not just for its practicality, but also for its beauty and environmental responsibility. From traditional homes to contemporary masterpieces, metal roofs are making a statement. They offer a unique blend of durability, energy efficiency, and design freedom. As homeowners become more aware of the limitations of traditional roofing materials like asphalt shingles, metal is emerging as a superior alternative. Raw materials, the genesis of a durable roof. The journey of a metal roof begins with raw materials, carefully chosen for their strength and resilience. Steel, the most common material, is valued for its affordability and ability to be rolled into thin yet strong sheets. Aluminum, known for its lightweight and corrosion resistance, is another popular choice, particularly for coastal regions. Copper, with its distinctive patina, offers a timeless elegance. It is often found on historic buildings and high-end residences. Zinc, a naturally weathering metal, develops a protective layer over time, enhancing its longevity. Each material brings unique properties to the table, influencing the roof's performance and appearance. The raw materials are subjected to rigorous quality checks to ensure they meet industry standards. This includes testing for tensile strength, corrosion resistance, and formability. The selection of the right material is crucial as it determines the roof's lifespan, aesthetics, and overall performance. Manufacturing process. From sheets to panels. The transformation from raw material to finished roofing product is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Large coils of metal are fed into sophisticated machines that shape and form them into panels. These panels, the building blocks of the roof, are available in various profiles, each offering unique aesthetic and functional benefits. One of the most popular profiles is the standing seam, characterized by vertical ribs that run the length of the panel. These ribs interlock, creating a weather-tight seal. Other common profiles include corrugated, with its wavy design, and metal shingles, designed to mimic the look of traditional asphalt shingles. Advanced stamping techniques allow manufacturers to create intricate patterns and textures on the metal panels. This adds visual interest and dimension to the roof. The panels are also precisely cut and punched to accommodate fasteners, ensuring a secure and watertight installation. Coatings and colors. Enhancing durability and aesthetics, metal roofs are built to last, and protective coatings play a crucial role in their longevity. These coatings, applied in factory-controlled environments, act as a shield against the elements, preventing rust, corrosion, and fading. They also enhance the roof's aesthetic appeal. Galvanization, a process of applying a zinc coating, provides excellent corrosion resistance. Paint systems, available in a wide array of colors, offer additional protection and aesthetic customization. These high-performance paints are designed to withstand UV radiation, preventing fading and maintaining the roof's vibrant appearance for years. Some coatings even incorporate reflective pigments, reducing the amount of heat absorbed by the roof. This helps to lower energy consumption and keep homes cooler in warmer climates. The choice of coating depends on the specific requirements of the project, considering factors like location, climate, and desired aesthetic. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, metal roofs are gaining recognition for their sustainability. Unlike asphalt shingles, which end up in landfills, metal is a recyclable material. At the end of their long lifespan, metal roofs can be recycled and repurposed, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Furthermore, many metal roofs are manufactured using recycled content, further decreasing their environmental footprint. The manufacturing process itself is also becoming more sustainable, with manufacturers implementing energy-efficient practices and reducing emissions. The energy efficiency of metal roofs is another significant environmental benefit. Their reflective surfaces can reflect solar radiation, reducing the urban heat island effect and lowering cooling costs. This translates into lower energy consumption and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Installing a metal roof is a specialized craft requiring a blend of traditional skills and modern technology. Experienced roofers carefully measure, cut, and fasten the panels, ensuring a precise and weathertight fit. The use of specialized tools and equipment ensures efficiency and accuracy throughout the installation process. Underlayment, a protective barrier installed beneath the metal panels, provides an additional layer of defense against moisture. It also helps to improve the roof's energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer. Proper ventilation is crucial for a metal roof's performance, preventing condensation buildup and ensuring longevity. Modern installation techniques such as concealed fastener systems enhance the roof's aesthetics and weather resistance. These systems eliminate exposed fasteners, creating a sleek and uninterrupted look. The result is a roof that is as beautiful as it is durable. Section 7. Design versatility styles for every home. One of the most compelling aspects of metal roofing is its incredible design versatility. Metal panels can mimic the look of traditional roofing materials like slate, tile, and cedar shakes, offering homeowners the aesthetic they desire with the superior performance of metal. For contemporary homes, standing seam metal roofs provide a sleek and modern aesthetic. Their clean lines and minimalist appeal complement the architectural style perfectly. Metal shingles, with their textured surfaces and varied profiles, can replicate the charm of traditional roofing materials while offering enhanced durability and longevity. The wide array of colors and finishes further expands design possibilities. From bold and vibrant hues to subtle and earthy tones, there is a metal roof to complement every home's exterior palette. The ability to customize the roof's appearance allows homeowners to express their personal style and enhance their home's curb appeal. Section 8. Performance and durability. The longevity of metal. Metal roofs are renowned for their exceptional performance and durability. They can withstand extreme weather conditions, from heavy snow loads to high winds, offering homeowners peace of mind and long-term protection. Unlike asphalt shingles, which can deteriorate over time, metal roofs maintain their structural integrity for decades. Their resistance to fire, hail, and pests makes them a smart investment for homeowners in areas prone to these hazards. Metal roofs also excel in energy efficiency, reflecting solar radiation and reducing the amount of heat transferred into the home. This translates into lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. With proper maintenance, a metal roof can last a lifetime. Unlike asphalt shingles, which may require replacement every 15 to 20 years, metal roofs can last 50 years or more, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Their longevity and minimal maintenance requirements provide homeowners with peace of mind and long-term value. Section 9. Real-world examples showcasing metal roofing excellence. The versatility and beauty of metal roofs are evident in countless architectural projects worldwide. From humble residences to iconic landmarks, metal roofing is making a statement. The Walt Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles, with its shimmering titanium panels, is a testament to the architectural possibilities of metal. Residential projects showcase the adaptability of metal roofing to various styles. A modern farmhouse with a black standing seam metal roof achieves a sleek and contemporary look, while a traditional Cape Cod home with a weathered zinc roof exudes timeless elegance. The possibilities are endless. These real-world examples demonstrate that metal roofing is no longer a niche product but a mainstream choice for discerning homeowners. The growing popularity of metal roofs is a testament to their aesthetic appeal, performance benefits, and environmental responsibility. Section 10. Conclusion. The future of roofing is metal. As we look towards the future of residential architecture, it's clear that metal roofs are poised to play an increasingly prominent role. Their durability, sustainability, and design versatility make them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a roofing solution that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally responsible. The continuous advancements in manufacturing technology, coupled with a growing awareness of the limitations of traditional roofing materials, will further propel the adoption of metal roofs. They represent a smart investment for homeowners, offering long-term value, reduced maintenance costs, and peace of mind. Metal roofs are not just a trend, they are a testament to the evolution of building materials and the increasing demand for sustainable and durable solutions. As homeowners prioritize energy efficiency, longevity, and aesthetic appeal, metal roofs will continue to rise in popularity, shaping the future of residential architecture.